All right, here's a level 13 type example. So I have a lot of things to do inside the brackets. So the first thing I'm going to do is deal with these 5s. I have 5 to the negative 10 divided by 5 to the negative 9. I could just move the exponents around. If it has a negative exponent, just move it to the floor where it's not. But because when I move this 5 to the negative 10 down to the bottom, it goes 5 to the 10. So I end up with 5 to the negative 9 and 5 to the 10, which is 5 to the 1. Okay? So something like that. With the x's, I'm going to take the x to the negative 1 and bring it down to the bottom. Here it is. So here's the x to the 2 is staying where it was. The x to the negative 1, it's on the wrong floor. I brought it down to the bottom. The y to the negative 4 on the bottom goes up to the top, becomes y to the positive 4. Okay, and I leave my y to the 3 where it was. Okay, and I find this a little bit faster than, like moving the 5 to the 9 up to the top and then subtracting. But it's really the same thing. All right, so I'm on the top, I have y to the 3 times y to the 4, add the exponents, y to the 7. And on the bottom, 5 to the negative 9 times 5 to the 10, I'm going to add the exponents, 5 to the positive 1. And then x to the 2 times x to the 1, I'm going to add the exponents, x to the 3. Now I have powers of powers, so this negative 2 is going to multiply all these exponents. So we're going to end up with y to the negative 14 over 5 to the negative 2 times x to the negative 6, like that. Okay, and then anything with a negative exponent is on the wrong floor, so that's all of them. So the y to the negative 14 is going to come down to the denominator, the 5 to the negative 2 is going to go up to the numerator and become 5 to the positive 2, the x to the negative 6 is going to move up to the numerator and become x to the positive 6, like that. Alright, and that's it for level 13. Have a good day.